Hello YouTube, it is Pt.2 here with another video, and in this video I am demonstrating another soundtrack music here. This one didn't take too long. Once again, as you can tell on the right hand side, my subscription has expired, so I will be taking care of that as soon as I can. At the end of this video, I do apologize for any lag. As you can tell, the mouse is a little laggy. I am on a Chromebook this time. This song, I didn't necessarily have a title to it, so I called it Violin. Total time, I believe, let's see here, if this would, there's 45 beats per measure. I would have to say that's like, I don't know. Okay, so it's 1 minute and 27 seconds. So I'll probably do a bunch of copying and pasting to be able to expand on the song here. So this is kind of the gist of what I have so far. So it's nothing much really. Now, if I wanted to, I could bring this all the way back, and then we could click on, okay, so that's, we could edit, and we can transpose. It's currently on a G minor. Now, if we want to go to F minor, we would actually have a different outcome. Everything would be the same. So this is, once again, just the transpose. So transpose is like an octave, I guess, or the key of. So we will click this little headphone. So it's just that one only. Let's see what we have. So this is set to, yeah. So now let's adjust the top one as well and see what we have there. We will click edit, transpose to F minor. This is going to sound very horrible, trust me, because F minor is a very high chord, or it's way up there instead of you heard before. So here we go. Warning, high volume. Now it sounds quite good. So now this is the change pitch, Now, what if we bring it down to 10 semitones? So it's like, instead of E, it's like, I don't know. It depends on how far I brought that. So we're going to see how that worked. So here we go. Once again, we solo this out. It sounds pretty interesting, actually. Let's see. So, yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. If you do want to, no, I didn't want to say that. Oops. Well, I guess that's the biggest mistake I've ever done. Now I can't undo because it's saved. It's just great. Well, then I guess I'll have to fix that. If you want this track, go to here to Soundtrap. Soundtrap.com. I will have it in the link below, and I will give you the link below to this song if you want it, and if you want to improvise, if you collaborate. If you want to collaborate with me, create an account, and you never know, you just might be the lucky one that goes on YouTube. And if you are, I do want to say, please do not swear in the chat when you collaborate and or when you are on the video. And if we do video chat or audio chat, however that works, I don't know. So, yeah, just go to here, and then there'll be the Explorer up here. You click on the search, and you search up Tech Tweak. Unfortunately, I don't introduce myself, but the title's there. Look for that logo, and you'll know you found me. And leave me a message if you want to do a collaborate, and we could do a collaborate. So, other than that, have a good evening, have a good day, and have a good afternoon, however you are. And this, yeah, so Tech Tweak out. Bye.